Hello guys, welcome back to Shamil Robotic channel. Today we will make something uh, something we will make yeah right. Okay guys, this is what I mean. We will make some trivia like this. So first thing first, you download Python coding, right? Then you download it and wait a second. Okay, guys, you go to your browser, then search Python, then you download. Easy, right? Okay, so when you open it, you will be getting like this. Wait, okay, please wait. Please, no, don't close this. I'm not using my PC. Actually I don't have a PC, my parent PC, because it broken, cause there are so much file. And you first see like this, then press file. First you download, you get 1 2 3 4. What do you need is idle Python, this, not this. Okay, after that you press file and new file. You will get like this, blank. Okay, this is first thing. You write print hello, welcome to trivia, like this. Maybe I will mix one again. Maybe in this video will be like 10 minutes, so yeah, that's like that. Then this input, then close, and this. Are you ready to play? Yes, let's no, like this, and boom boom. Yes. Oh, sorry, wrong, like this, and space, and you can see what I doing, right? You can just I'm sorry guys if I not say too much, cause I'm not usually use English. My English so bad, please no, don't bully me. Okay, input, no space, right? Dot, don't forget to like this. What is that? I don't know. One is maybe what is my YouTube channel. Then yes, boom, enter. Then you press. Oh no press. Oh yeah, if ends dot lower like this, then equals to maybe Shamil Robotic, like this, boom, enter, and print correct. else. After from there you press enter, then backspace, then else, enter again, print incorrect, this, boom. Okay, then you go backspace like this and just can copy this, like there you go, and paste it here. You can change maybe what is my favorite food. Wait, I'm still recording. Okay, okay, then maybe noodle, no stick. You can just do this every day, and then paste it again. Wood. Wait guys, I don't have that. There you go, and you can do this thing as much as you want. I just make a 2 question. Okay, then this you file, save as, and will like this, and here, like and yeah, already, and press run module, or you can just press F5. F5 please. Okay, don't use this, we will use this. Okay, press F5, then like this. Hello, welcome to trivia, are you ready to play? Yes or no? Of course yes. Boom. And it's the best programming language. If you can see, I type Python. Boom. Correct. What is the best writing application? Notepad, of course, but if I'm wrong, type wrong, like Notepad++, incorrect. Okay, then it's better, yeah, 1050 Ti, yeah, 100. Okay, then correct, and yeah, done. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye.